Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see a term called dark factory. The term dark factory describes an industrial production site that is fully automated so that production takes place without any direct human intervention at the production site. The entire production process from the delivery of raw material at the factory to the delivery of finished products is carried out completely by automatically controlled machines. The term dark factory alludes to the fact that a production facility in which no people are employed who require light for their work could theoretically be operated without lighting, that is, in the dark. This is known as a lights out of manufacturing. Behind this is the idea that a fully automated production can take place purely according to program and routines defined in advance. The term dark factory is also used metaphorically. In fact, robotic production in complete darkness is only possible if the machines do not use any optical sensors and no visual monitoring by people, for example, by means of cameras from a control center takes place. Even with the greatest possible automation, certain tasks currently require human intervention, or at least the possibility to do so in certain cases, especially in inspection and maintenance. Therefore, the operation of some of these factories in a fully automated mode is only temporary. For example, in certain shifts, the dark factory is a production type of Industry 4.0. In the course of digital change, the progressive digital transformation of technical production system is expected to lead to increase in the number of dark factories that operate according to the principle of lights out manufacturing. Thanks for watching. Bye.